is up, YouTube? It's your girl Tay.MCE coming back at you again with another epic video. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my own Diva ring light, and if you're interested, stay tuned.
Me have you work. You see me do me dirt. So me for that work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, murder. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I'll be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the street.
For this video, you will need scissors, clear cable ties, aluminum foil, wax paper, a pen. A marker probably works better. LED rope lights, a wreath, and a cardboard. Well, and some cardboard. You don't need a box, but I'm gonna use a box. Okay, so I just went ahead and cut out the piece of cardboard that I'm gonna actually need to use. Let's move everything else to the side. So, for this step, you're just gonna lay down your wreath on the cardboard like this. And trace your wreath out on your cardboard. So. After you've traced it out, you just want to cut it. Cut out the ring that you traced. Just now that you finally got your cardboard ring cut out, you want to take your aluminum foil, and wrap it all around your cardboard ring. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just so that the light from the rope light reflects on you. cut off the excess. Sheet aluminum foil probably would be easier, but I'm using what I have. Want to continue this step all the way around the ring. This is where it goes. Rope lights come in, and your green wreath. And your zip ties. So for this step, you're gonna want to open this. Unwrap your LED lights. My rope lights are 18 feet, but you're gonna want to start wrapping it around your wreath. And you're just gonna want to start wrapping it around. These lights are heavy. Wrapping it around your wreath. And every so often, take one of your clear zip ties. My zip ties are 8 inch. And secure the cable to the wreath. Well, secure the rope light to the wreath. And you can cut the ties as you go along, or you can cut them all in the end. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, you just repeat this step all the way around. Am I doing it? I just did the first one with no problem. There it is. All right, next step. Secure. What do I call it? Secure your cardboard aluminum that you cut out. The LED ring rope line. You want to just cut You stick the excess zip ties off, just like you did before. Well, I don't get this zip tie. Maybe this one. After that, it looks something like this, and you're on to the next step. You just want to open your wax paper. And wrap your lights in wax paper. Actually, I don't think that I'm going to use the wax paper. We're going to try the lights like this and see if they work. This is the cable connect cord. This is the ring light with lights. I think it improves. YouTube, it's been real. It's your girl, Tay.MCE, coming back at you again with another epic video. Thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up and like this video. Comment down below what you would like to see next. And subscribe if you're new. Thank you.